Hello boys and girls, today we are going to be learning about the ballpark estimation. Now we have to learn the rounding numbers poem. 5 or more, let it soar. 4 or less, let it rest. This will help you when you're trying to estimate numbers. Now, looking at our hundreds chart, as you can notice that there is a red line going down the middle. Numbers that end in 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0, you're going to round down. But if a number ends in 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, you're going to round up. Now let's find the ballpark estimation of number 22. The number 22 ends in a 2. So if we think back to our poem, 5 or more, let it soar. 4 or less, let it rest. 2 would be on the let it rest side. The number 22 would be rounded down to number 20. Finding the ballpark of number 68. The number 68 ends in an 8. So if we think back to our poem, 5 or more, let it soar. 4 or less, let it rest. 8 would be on the let it soar side. The number 68 would be rounded up to number 70. Now let's try to do this without seeing a visual of the hundreds chart. Finding the ballpark estimation of number 31. Now 31 we know ends in 1. So if we think to our poem, 5 or more, let it soar. 4 or less, let it rest. 1 would be on the let it rest side. So number 31 would be rounded down to number 30. The number 79 ends in a 9. So if we think back to our poem, 5 or more, let it soar. 4 or less, let it rest. 9 would be on the let it soar side. So number 79 would be rounded up to number 80. Now let me ask you a question. If a number ends in a 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, do you round up or down? That's right, you round down. If a number ends in a 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, do you round up or down? Up, you're right. Would number 66 be rounded up or down? The number 66 would be rounded up because it ends in a 6. So the ballpark of 66 is 70. Would number 54 be rounded up or down? The number 54 would be rounded down because it ends in a 4. So the ballpark of 54 is 50. Knowing how to find the ballpark estimation of a number is important. Every day you can easily estimate, knowing how much money the bill will cost, knowing the size of something in order to fit it in a room, or even knowing how many cookies to buy for every student in the whole school. So now that we all learned about ballpark estimation, I want everyone to continue with the homework assignment below. Thank you.